Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove watermark in Snapseed. And here's how it's done. Launch Snapseed and open the image with the watermark by tapping the plus icon. Tap on Tools at the bottom of the screen. Select the healing tool from the list of options. Use two fingers to zoom in on the area with the watermark for better precision. Carefully paint over the watermark using your finger. Snapseed will automatically attempt to fill in the area with surrounding pixels. You may need to go over the area a few times for a cleaner result. If necessary, use the undo button located at the bottom to undo any mistakes, and then reapply the healing tool until you are satisfied with the result. Zoom out to see how the area looks. If the watermark is still visible, you may need to repeat the process for better blending. Once you are happy with the result, tap the check mark to apply the changes. Tap Export to save or share your watermark-free image. And that's everything you need to know about how to remove watermark in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.